Okay, it keeps stopping on me. So this is 16 feet of LED lights. $15.99. Remote upside down again. Different colors. And you have to pull this pin so it works. It's kind of like an Xbox, like I said, or I keep saying. So you take that, you plug it into this. I'll make a separate video of how they work. Unless we can do this right now without my camera stop recording over and over again. Bam. And I gotta plug this into this. And then where are the lights? So the lights come with that. So you're gonna take this one, plug it in, see if that works. Or yeah, it goes this way. Or how does it go? Oh, it goes this opposite way. Hey guys, sorry for my dogs. Hey, you too. That's an extra one, I think. And then that's it. Let's try to plug this in. I'll be right back. Got an extension cord for this. Crap. So you're gonna have to move this video somewhere else. Okay, we're back. So you can plug this in. Turn them on. Oh, that's the tab. Or whatever this is. Oh, it's not completely plugged in. Sorry for dogs once again. Oh, they plug into each other, I think. Yeah, it goes like this. Like this. Whoa, see, look guys, it works. Let's do... Let's go. Blue. Fade 7. Let's do flash. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Nice and high. And let's do make a brighter, darker, brighter. Let's make them quick. Let's do flash, quick, auto. Let's do blue. Let's do boop boop. Let's do DIY one. Let's do jump. Oh god! Oh god! I don't think you see that really good. Gotta press jump 3, jump 2, jump 2, fade 7, and then auto. Oh god, that's bright. Let's turn it to pink. Okay, off. Is that pink to you guys? Can't really tell because like the lights. See the pinks are here. That's pink. And let's try green. Yellow? No, I would have it on pink. What's this button? Let's turn it to blue. Do that here. Go up. Down. don't know what some of these buttons do, so I'll have to figure it out later. So, hope you guys enjoyed that. And it came in this little package, and it was in that. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next. Wait, what's this button do? Let's turn it off. Hope you guys enjoyed. Talk to you guys later. See how bright that is? See? Shadow. See you behind me too, talking. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, click the bell notification so you get notified and become part of the notification squad. And can we break? No, never mind. And comment below if you go to school anymore. Comment below what your favorite subject is in school. I still go to school. Mine is math. So, wait, before we end the video off, let's go to hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next episode.